Hello, good morning, 10th standard students. We are happy once again that this week we can begin our class for Merchant of Venice. Last time I did was up to line 270, Act 4, Scene 1. We will continue from here from line 271, and I'm sure you are going to have a good time here for today. All the best and God bless you. I've seen that most of you have not returned your turned in your notebooks and workbooks for correction. I have given you the marks. Those of you who have given me the notebooks and workbooks, those of you who have not given, please go through the video clipping, video recording of my Merchant of Venice and do the answers from there. Please do not write your own answers, and you are just misfiring those answers. Instead of writing the correct answers that I have given you already in my video, you are not following that. As a result, I have to put cross there and I have to tell you to do it again from my video. And if you are not following the instruction, you will be at a loss when you write your board exams. So I'm already giving you the answers. Please follow the instructions and do it. So here we begin from line 271. Now we see here where Shylock is ready to take a pound of flesh, and Portia has asked for the balance so that they would weigh the pound of flesh, and it should not be more and it should not be less. So Shylock is even ready with the balance to weigh that 1 pound of flesh. That's where we left last time, and now we begin from here. You merchant, have you anything to say? Okay. Now here, before Shylock can come and take a pound of flesh from near the heart of Antonio, she is asking Antonio if he has anything to say on this matter. So we see her, but little I am armed and well prepared. Okay, now Antonio says, I'm well prepared. Okay, whatever it is, uh, my judgment has been given and I'm ready to give my 1 pound of flesh to my enemy, that is Shylock the Jew. And well prepared, give me your hand, Bassanio. Okay, I here is Antonio in the first line. Your hand is the hand of Bassanio. Fare you well. Okay, now here he is mentally, physically, spiritually, and all that. He is ready to say farewell, bidding farewell to Bassanio, because once Antonio's flesh is taken out from near his heart, he is going to be no more and he will not be able to utter any of these words there. Grieve not that I am fallen to this for you. Now he's saying, grieve your miss. Do not feel bad that I have fallen into this debt and I am paying for it. Okay, you should not feel sorry for this. For herein fortune shows herself more kind than is her custom. Okay, now here fortune is in a favor of Shylock and not in his favor as per the habit of the fortune. And it is still her use. Okay, her use is the custom. He knows that his time is over. He knows that fortune is not favoring him because of the losses that he has incurred, and as a result he is not able to pay anything to Shylock towards the bond money. And he said that is her custom and still it is her use, and that's what her fortune does. To let the wretched man, now wretched man refers to Antonio, outlive his wealth. Okay, outlive, now he's lost his wealth and Antonio is still living. To view with hollow eye and wrinkled brow an age of poverty. Now here, he is trying to bring out his physical condition, wretched, very poor, of the poorest, and eyes are hollow, that means nothing to say and nothing to look at. Wrinkled brow, that means he has tension all over his body and his self, and he says, an age of poverty. Now he has come to the age of poverty where nobody can bring him out from there, from which lingering penance, now he has to suffer. Penance here is suffer. Because of the losses that he has incurred and the bond that he has to fulfill, he has to go through the sufferings of the pound of flesh that Shylock is about to take. So such misery that she cut me off. Cut me off, my fortune is no more and therefore I have to suffer. Commend me to your honorable wife. Okay, now he says, commend me to your honorable wife, refers to Portia. He said, please, when you talk to your wife, talk good about me. Tell her the process of Antonio's end and even tell her how the end came to Antonio and where it began. Say how I loved you and also tell her that I have loved you like my own brother, more like my own self. Speak me fair in death. After my death, you speak something good about me. And when the tale is told, tell her a story, bid her be judge. Okay, then let her be the judge of the whole system, whole of the story that you're going to tell her. Whether Bassanio had not once a love. Okay, had you tell her that how you loved me and how I loved you. Repent, but you that shall lose your friend. Now, even if you repent, you will still lose your friend. So this is how the Antonio is bringing out his feelings for his friend Bassanio. And he repents not that he pays your debt. And the person who is repenting, he is not supposed to repent when he's paying your debt. Okay, I'm the person, I'm not repenting, I'm paying your debt, I'm going through the surfing. And so he says, for if the Jew do cut but deep enough, okay, Jew here is Shylock, if the Jew is going to cut deep enough to my chest, I'll pay it presently with all my heart. I'll pay it with wholeheartedly from the bottom of my heart. Bassanio to Antonio. Antonio, I'm married to a wife. Now he says, I'm married to a wife who is Portia, which is as dear to me as life itself. My wife is very dear to me, like my wife, like my life. Okay, but life itself, my wife, and all the world are not with me, esteemed above thy life. Okay, my wife, my wealth, my hands, my feet, and everything belongs to you. They are all above my wife. Okay, this is what he's given him the dignity and the respect even more than his wife. Okay, thy life is Antonio's life. Esteemed here means valued. You are more precious to me. I would lose all, I sacrifice them all. I would sacrifice everything that I've got to my wife. Here to this devil to deliver you. Okay. I want to deliver you from this devil. Devil here is Shylock. You can write there. Portia to Bassanio. Your wife would give you a little thanks for that if she were by to hear you make the offer. And we all know Portia is already there. And this is the comment by Portia. If your wife was here, she is not going to give you thank you for this statement that you have made. If she were by you to hear you make this offer, she will give you very little thank you for this. I have a wife, Graciano says, whom I protest I love. Okay, now turns come to Graciano. He says, even I have a wife. If Bassanio has a wife, even I have a wife whom I love very dearly. I would she were in heaven. I wish she was in heaven. She here is the wife of Graciano, that is Narissa, and she also happens to be in the court as a clerk of the judge Portia, as if she were in heaven. I wish she was in heaven so she could entreat some power to change this Carish Jew, so that she would have the power to change the mind of Jew and he will show some mercy to Antonio. Carish here is vile, evil plan of Shylock. Narissa to Graciano. So now Portia has brought her feelings when Bassanio tells, I will sacrifice everything and above all, you are above all, even my wife. Graciano is also trying to say that he loves Antonio above everything else. And now is the turn of Narissa, who happens to be in the court itself. This while you offer it behind her back. It's good that you are offering this when your wife is not there. Okay, behind her is uh, Graciano's wife, that is Narissa herself. The wish would make an unique house. Okay, unquiet house. Okay, that means the house will not be quiet. There's going to be some kind of trouble and quarrel coming when you make such statements about your wife. Assigned these be the Christian's husbands. Okay, now Shylock is getting very irritated and restless, and he just wants that this thing should be taken over. He says, you people are talking about your husbands. Okay, husbands are talking about their wife. Okay, Christian husbands, Graciano and Bassanio. I have a daughter. Now he says, even I have a daughter. Would any of this talk of Barabbas? Okay, Barabbas refers to the thief who was released in place of Jesus Christ. So he is calling her a stock of Barabbas. And when she had stolen everything from her, from his house, the kids, the jewelry, and all that stock, is that what he's trying to mean here? Stock of Barabbas. That's my daughter is. Had been her husband rather than a Christian, and he wishes her husband would not have been a Christian, but he is. assigned with trifle time. Now we don't need to waste our time. Trifle here is wasting time. I pray thee, I request you, pursue the sentence. Okay, that means go with the judgment. This is what Shylock is speaking to Portia. A pound of that same merchant's flesh is thine. Portia says, sure. The pound of that flesh of merchant is Antonio's flesh belongs to you. The court awards it. Okay, the court gives you, and the law doth give it to thee. Law and the court, they are in favor of you, Shylock, and be ready to take the pound of flesh. Most rightful judge. Okay, Shylock is very happy because Portia has given the verdict in favor of Shylock. So we see here, and you must cut this flesh from off the breast. Okay, now Portia says, from near the heart of, very close to the heart of Antonio. His breast is Antonio's breast. The law allows it. Okay, according to the law, you can have it, and the court awards it. Both are in your favor. Most learned judge, a sentence come prepare. Okay, Shylock is very happy. He says, you are the most intelligent judge of all, and you have told the right thing. Tarry a little, Portia says, just wait. Don't be in a hurry. There is something else. Okay, now she wants to tell you something else before he goes to Antonio. This bond doth give thee here no jot of blood. This bond that Shylock is speaking, he wants the flesh of pound of flesh. He says, give thee here. Okay, you have the right to take a pound of flesh, but here no jot of blood, not even a drop of blood should come out when you are taking a pound of flesh. The words expressly are a pound of flesh. Bond says only a pound of flesh. But, so take then thou bond. Okay, according to the bond you go. Take thou thy pound of flesh. Okay, take your pound of flesh. But in cutting it, while you're cutting it, if thou dost shed one drop of Christian blood is Antonio's blood. If you shed 1 pound of, if you take 1 pound of flesh and you shed 1 drop of blood, thy lands and goods are by the laws of Venice confiscate unto the state of Venice. So you can take the pound of flesh but no blood. The moment you drop the blood, all your lands and property will go to the state of Venice. Upright judge, Gratiano is very happy. Oh, you are the best judge. Mark Jew. Okay, Jew here is Shylock. Listen to what the judge is saying. Oh, learned judge. And again he tells her, you are a very learned, intelligent judge. Is that the law? Shylock says, yes, that the law. He is asking. Thyself shall see the act. Okay, you can see the act and you can perform your operation. For as thou urgest, justice be assured. Okay, you are urging and you are given the justice. Thou shalt have justice more than thy desire. You desire a pound of flesh, so we are giving you justice. You can take a pound of flesh. O learned judge, mark you a learned judge. And again, the same thing Gratiano is appreciating how Portia has turned the table in favor of Antonio. I take this offer, then pay the bond thrice. I says, no, I don't want to take the pound of flesh. You give me 3 times, 3,000 means into 3, it equal to 9,000 ducats. I will take that offer of Bassanio and let the Christian go. And allow me to let the Christian be free. Christian here is Antonio. Bassanio to Shylock. Here is the money. So here, Bassanio is once again happy because now he can pay the money and his friend is free from the bond of Shylock. Soft, Shylock shall have justice. Okay, Portia says, nothing of that, don't give your money. He needs a pound of flesh, he will have a justice. The Jew shall have all justice, soft, no haste, don't be in a hurry. Okay, he shall have nothing but the penalty. The penalty is a pound of flesh. This is what Portia is insisting. O Jew and upright judge, O learned judge. And Gratiano is very happy because now he doesn't have to give the money. At the same time, Bassanio doesn't have to give money. Antonio doesn't have to give his pound of flesh. And so Shylock has the problem from all over the place. He will get no money, neither will he get a pound of flesh. Okay. Therefore, prepare thee to cut off the flesh. Portia says, now get ready to cut off the flesh. Shed thou no blood, nor cut thou less nor more. Only one time you can take the knife into his chest, and in that one time only your 1 pound of flesh should come. it should not, you cannot put the knife second time and take more. You cannot put less and then say, it's not 1 pound. Only once you have to put the knife into the chest of Antonio and not more than that. Okay. If thou cuttest more or less, adjust pound. No more, only 1 pound. Be it cut so much, but makes it right or heavy in the substance. Okay, that's the quantity. One time, take your knife, take out for 1 pound of flesh. You cannot cut the knife deep into his flesh second time and say it is less. Or you cannot put the flesh back because it is of no use, no more, no less. On the division of the 20th part, not even a 20th part of that if it is less. Or of one poor scruple, scruple is a unit blood, very little piece. Nay, if the scale do turn, but in the estimation of a hair, even if a palm equal to a hair substance, the weight, you will not get. Okay, you will confiscate your land and property. Thou diest and all thy goods are confiscated. You are going to be given that same judgment, the death sentence, and your property will be taken over. Gratiano to Portia, a second Daniel or Daniel Jew. Now, infidel, I have you on the hip. Okay, now I have you on my hip. That is, now the tables have turned by Portia. She is a very intelligent like Prophet Daniel. She's compared to Prophet Daniel, her intelligence, and said, infidel here is Shylock. Okay, I have you on the hip. Okay, now he said, now I have you. Now, how can you take that pound of flesh from Antonio? Why does the Jew pause? Portia says, why are you stopping? Why are you quiet? Take the forfeiture. Okay, take your pound of flesh. Forfeiture you miss. Okay, give me my principal. My principal is he only wants now 3,000 ducats and no, not the flesh. And let me go. Allow me to go. Give me only 3,000 ducats. Bassanio, I have it ready for thee. Here it is. And Bassanio once again is ready to give 3,000 pounds ducats now instead of 9,000. Portia to Bassanio, he hath refused it in the open court. When we were giving him 9,000 ducats, he has refused, so he doesn't need the money. He shall merely have justice and his bond. Only pound of flesh he can have and no money. Do not give any money to Shylock. Gratiano, Daniel still say, I second Daniel now. Again, Gratiano is so happy. He's thinking the way Portia has changed the whole course of the law. So now we see here Daniel, and we are going to stop here for today. And I will give you the extract tomorrow, not today. And you can listen to it. God bless you as you go about this